Hello, welcome to the flight park. I'm Jocky Sanderson and I'm going to show you how to make a simple face mask using some stretchy neoprene from an old paragliding harness. Okay, so now that I've machined it, and what I generally do is I start at the nose and just a back stitch and then round, and then you just nip it at the bottom so it closes that chin a little bit more. You've got two pieces attached together with a bit of a rim, but you could tidy that rim up, you can cut that easy enough to make it look pretty. Okay, now we just cut out the ears, because you want it to be stretchy around your ears, but you don't want your ears to look like Dumbo. You measure from your chin here to the back of your ear, so you can measure that yourself and it'll give you a good gauge of what is suitable for you. So I'm going to cut it around the back here, making enough space for my ear. You can make it go long if you like, depends on the design. So when I cut it, I just do a little fold like that and snip like that. That way I've got a hole, and then I start by just cutting an ear shape around. So now you've cut out the ears. I like to make mine nice and small so it all stays quite tight, but cut out the ears to fit you, and if it's too tight then you can adjust it, cut out a bit more. So there's your mask. So we now have to put it on to test it. So just on it goes, around your ears like that, and it should not pull your ears like that. It should be nice and comfortable, and just sit gently on your face, and you can see that the stitching under here is closing this bit, and you can cut this to suit your face. You can do whatever you like really, and if you want to look really smart you can turn it inside out like that, so it looks a bit smarter, but you've got a seam on the inside. Depends. You look a bit like a monkey like this. And it's neoprene, it's durable, it's washable, and it's reusable. So if you've got any old material that you want to send in, we'll then cut it all to shape and stitch it for you, and then send it back for you to fit the ears yourself and cut into your own face. If you don't have any material, then we can make them out of neoprene, but I'm running out of paragliding harness material, so we're going to have to buy some sheets in, and they're about 50 quid a sheet. So they'll probably cost about, I don't know, between £5 and £10 to make. If you want one, let us know. Send them into the flight park and we'll fit them for you. The address is on the link. Thank you very much.